So today I've got another unboxing video. Wowza, that is nice. That's my ocean bag. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm Molly. If you're new here then welcome. If you're not new here then welcome back. So today I've got another unboxing video. It's another luxury purchase. Actually my boyfriend bought this one for me as a gift, so I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to be opening it for the first time with you guys, so you'll get my initial reaction to it all. Okay, so it's the Jacquemus Lavag, I want to say it's called, and let's have a look. Wowza, so pretty. It's giving me very Saint-Tropez-ish vibes. Actually, when I first saw this bag, because I think he got it for me from the pop-up store that Jacquemus has got in Selfridges at the moment, so when I saw people posting it on Instagram and TikTok and stuff, I wasn't really that into it, to be honest with you, but then I did see it in the window of Selfridges the other day and I was like, that is nice. I really like it. Let's get this off. Okay, I'm struggling a little bit. Oh wow, I'm actually very into it now I've seen it. It's a beautiful blue colour, which I really love. He said he was going to get me the orange suede and I was like, I'm so thankful that you got me this blue leather, because the bag is apparently supposed to represent the sea, so that's why it's this shape, because it's kind of like a wave. And I think the blue kind of matches that style. I think you could wear it kind of on your shoulder like this, or just hold it kind of next to you. I think I would probably hold it next to me. So I did look up the price, even though it's a gift. I know you probably shouldn't do that, but it was £530, which I think is really reasonable. Actually, Jacquemus, their prices are pretty reasonable. I mean, if you go to some of the bigger designer brands for a bag like this, you're probably paying about £1,000 realistically. And you can tell the quality is amazing. Like even the little zip, it says Jacquemus on it. It's kind of like a really solid chunk of leather. The quality feels insane. So what have we got inside? It's quite stiff. It's a very thick leather. Like each side is very sturdy and thick, which I suppose is good. So what have we got? Lavag, it comes in one size. Oh, better not show you that. So that's the authenticity, I think. So that's like the serial number and stuff which I need to keep. And then it says each leather is unique and has been carefully selected by our team. To maintain the original condition of your accessory, we recommend you to avoid direct and overexposure to light and avoid contact with cosmetics, water or heat. Okay, so just to be careful. And it says to store it in the dust bag, which I do actually always do. I like to have stuff on display on top of my wardrobe, but when it's really nice items then I do keep the dust bag. So let's see what else we've got inside. Oh god, I've stuffed it. It's very stiff leather, I'm not gonna lie. So this is inside. It does have a little pocket on the side, so you can put some little bits and bobs. It's quite spacious actually. That's how much space it's got inside. Yeah. Overall, I think it is very beautiful. I mean, not with this outfit, that's for sure. Definitely not going to be wearing it with this outfit. I actually think I would hold it kind of, if I'm wearing a dress or something. I'm thinking like a white dress, some nice heels, like summer day type of vibes, and then I just hold it. I don't think it's really for the arm. But I think you could wear it on the arm. I don't see why not. But yeah, that's my ocean bag. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I know it's quite a quick one, but I just thought get your initial reaction to this video. Maybe you're thinking of buying this bag, or maybe you just clicked on this video for your entertainment. I don't know, but if you liked it, please give it a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram if you haven't done already, and I'll see you next time.